Hello, paper lovers! Welcome by a new YouTube video for Hip Kit Club. It's Josefine here sharing with you another video using the beautiful July kits from the Hip Kit Club. And my assignment for this week is the product focus. And my product focus is on the beautiful cardstock circles from the embellishment kit. They are Hip Kit Club exclusive elements, and I love these cardstock circles, and you can use them in so many different ways. And I want to um, demonstrate it in this video. What I done, how I made this video, and what you can do with these gorgeous cardstock circles. But first, I created a background with the distress oxide, and the color that I use for this background is spice marmalade. It's I think a light orange yellow color distress oxide, and is I wanted to create a bohemian, relaxed, dreamy vibe on my page, and I thought this color is perfect for sunset pictures. And I think it fits perfect by the vibe that I want to create on my scrapbook layout. So that's the reason why I'm using this the color spice marmalade on my background. The stencil that I use is from the June kit, from the June color kits, the clouds, and I love how these orange clouds turned out on my page. So happy with the result, and perfect for this photo from me at sunset. I think this photo is taken a few years ago. I thought it was in Jamaica, and I love the sunset photo, and I think it's perfect for fits perfect for the layout that I want to create, and all the beautiful elements of the July kit. So you see, I use one of the circles as photo frame, and I use the other circles just like something like a dream catcher, and I use orange threads and make a pattern, a random pattern in the circles, and I'm very happy how that turned out. It's really just looks so bohemian, and the feathers that I cut out with a metal die, I think they fit perfect with the circles, with the bohemian circles that I created with the orange thread. So here I stitched a circle, the edges of the circle that I cut out from the design paper from the main kit, from the July main kit, and I stitched the edges with coral colored thread, and I place in the center of the scrapbook layout, and the circle on top of these other circles that I made. I place my flower and my feathers in place. Just I look here, I'm a little bit puzzling how I want all my elements fit into this scene on this page. So when I think that I know how I want my elements on this scrapbook layout, I using some tacky glue, and I glue the circles on my scrapbook layout and place my photo on top of these both circles. It's time to create a cluster with the flower and feathers, and these flowers are from the July embellishment kit from the Hip Kit Club, and I love to design your own paper flowers. I rough the edges with my distress etcher, and of course you can use your scissor as well. I bent the petals a little bit of the flower, and so I created more dimension in my petals. The feathers I place them under my flower, so I create a more bohemian vibe on my page, because when I think on bohemian vibes, I just have to think of dream catchers. So, and that is the look and the vibe that I want to create on my scrapbook layout, and that's the reason why I added some feathers. And of course you can make your own feathers from cardstock. If you look for some inspiration how to make feathers from cardstock, you can watch my video from May. I thought it was the Cosfile Tuesday video from the with the May kits, and in that video I show you how I made feathers from cardstock. I play a little bit with the acetate elements from the main kit, and I love those black laced acetate elements. They give so a great look through, and I really love to add some acetate elements on my page as well. These puffy stickers from the Hip Kit Club exclusive are so cute, and I definitely wanted to use the Dreamcatcher and this round circle puffy sticker with wood veneer word strip. And for this page I use a lot of word strips and different sets of alphas, and I love how everything is so different but fits so well with each other, and I'm very happy how this turned out on my page. So the things the word strips that I like are favorite place and really chill summer afternoon, my soul is full of happiness. And with the orange alpha sets I made the word namaste, and light pink with the white stripes I make the word just in combination with the word relaxed, and the purple relaxed I think they give just a great look on the yellow orange background. And yes, I'm very happy with to use all different kinds of word strips and alpha sets. Another way to use your die cut circles is to put them on this piece of design paper you want, and cut them out with your scissor and put them just like die cuts on your layout. It's so simple it is, and it gives a great effect. So that's the third way I want to show you in this video how I use these circles. So I use these circles just as a picture frame for my picture. I use them like dream catchers and fill them up with some treat. And the third way I use these circles is to put them on design paper and cut them out and use them like die cuts on my layout. So you definitely can create a lot of different ways with these cardstock circles from the Hip Kit Club exclusives. At the end of this layout, I made some splatters with the white paint that I mixed with a little bit of water, and I splash around with my brush. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I had a lot of fun creating this layout. Here I add a little bit of more orange splatters on my page, and that's it. So don't forget to check the Hipkit Club blog and the Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration from the other designers. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time on the YouTube channel. And for now, I wish you a creative and crafty day, and see you around next time. Bye bye.